am excited to share my newest Layle by Mail project kit called Magical Memories, and it is a wonderful, super fun and festive album to document your trip to Disneyland or Disney World. I'm using the Simple Stories Say Cheese Fort collection, and I start out with this really fun castle that's custom on the cover to the kit. It's made out of a really fun kind of gold glitter paper. And as we start looking through the album or the project, there are spaces for up to 62 photos. You guys, tons of room for photos in here. There are pockets that you can tuck photos in, lots of flip outs to add additional photos, additional memorabilia. The kit is ready to ship starting the week of March 25th, so super close. And I'm going to do a really quick flip through here, and then I will show you the contents of the kit. I am also teaching this at a number of stores now through June, and I will put that information in the body of the video so you can have an idea of where I'll be teaching this in person if you happen to be in the area and would like to join in person. The classes are always tons of fun in person, but I know everybody can't do that, so getting the kit is the next best thing. As always, oh, I want to point this one out really quick. This would be a really great place to add autographs, the different characters through the park. So the kit comes with everything that you need to put together the album, including the album itself, and then lots of goodies that you're adding on top and in. So let's look at those really quickly. There is the die cut castle. There is a package of die cuts. There are 54 Say Cheese 4 die cuts in there. Speaking of die cuts, every kit will have 2 of the little Happy Kids die cuts. Now, all of these die cuts will be different because there are lots of them that I'm pulling apart in a package, but you will have a boy and a girl to add to your kit. The Say Cheese 4x6 stickers, so 8 4x6 sticker sheets, 201 stickers, and I love using these stickers in the albums because they're a little bit smaller, so lots of opportunities to use those there. You have a half pad of the Say Cheese 4 6x8 pad, so that is going to give you 12 double-sided papers, and we use pretty much every single one of those in the kit, including some really creative ways on using these little cards as something other than cards. Everyone will get one of the Say Cheese bows, or the bow clips, and the bow clips, oh, there we go. The bow clips are all going to be different in the kit, but you'll receive one of 4 of those. A package of these snap cards. So there's 48 different snap cards in here. These are perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, you guys. So there are a mixture of 4x4 cards, 3x4 cards, 2x2 cards, and 4x6 cards. And then last but not least, 2 more things. The word chipboard, and these are so fun. Thought it'd be really fun to incorporate those in the kit, as well as 8 little punched Mickey heads, and you can kind of see that right there. So that is the Layle by Mail Magical Memories kit, available now for pre-order, and watch the information in the body of the video for all the details. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.